Welcome everybody, it's Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty and StampinPretty.com. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Sale-A-Bration, one of our biggest promotions of the year, and some really exciting news about more free products that are coming. So very briefly, this is the Sale-A-Bration first release. It's already underway. It goes from January 3rd of 2019 through March 31st of 2019, and it is loaded with all kinds of products exclusive to Sale-A-Bration that you can earn free with either a $50 or a $100 order. Pretty amazing. But starting February 15th of 2019, more products will be available to earn free during Sale-A-Bration. We call this our second release. And I will have both the first and second release, as well as some exciting coordinating products for purchase in my YouTube description for you. So for starters, there will be the all adorned stamp set. It is designed to work beautifully with our Stamparatus stamp positioning tool. So you can do perfect placement and even create designs that work beautifully together. I love this. You are pretty much the best ever sentiment. That might be my favorite part about this stamp set. And it is clear photopolymer. It's available at the $50 level. And then this will knock your socks off. This is the Country Floral Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. Nobody does embossing folders like Stampin' Up, especially in these dynamic versions that give you even more 3D than you probably would ever dream. And I don't think this shows how amazing it is in the brochure, so I had to create a piece for you in petal pink, but trust me, it looks good in every color. Look at that texture. I love the rose. How gorgeous for spring, for bridal, for anniversary, birthday. I love it. It just feels really feminine and just about drop dead gorgeous. That's available at the $50 level. At the $100 level, starting on February 15th of 2019, will be this bundle, which will include both Designer Series paper and the Painted Seasons stamp set. So here's the stamp set. It's designed to work year-round. It has our distinctive stamps, which are really fine detail, almost give sort of that photo finish, and they are in red rubber. And then this is the Designer Series paper. You get 12 sheets, and they're two-sided. And these are the 4 different patterns. You get 3 of each. So they're designed to really give you a seasonal option. I love these toadstools. At first I was like, what are they? And I got them and I'm like, this is adorable. This is just so retro and cool. This one is absolutely beautiful for spring and beyond. These are some cool succulents. And then this ties more into fall and winter with the pine cones and the evergreens. And this is called the Painted Seasons Designer Series paper. And then you can flip it over and there's soft coordinating smaller patterns that you can use. So again, so much versatility. Isn't that lovely? And that all works together. So that's what's coming for potentially you can earn on a $50 and $100 product order. And again, those totals are before shipping and tax, but even gets more exciting on March 1st, where we are releasing coordinating products for purchase to go with those products that you can earn free. So, for example, this cute little dude was made with the So Happy Together stamp set. You can earn it free as part of the first release with a $50 product order. I used it to stamp the little frog, who is super cute, as well as the crown. And then I colored it with my Stampin' blends. I even stamped this little, I think he's a dragonfly, on here and colored him with my blends because I thought it was just so adorbs. But starting March 1st, we are going to be offering for purchase these amazing hop around framelits dies that are designed to coordinate with these super cute guys. So I was able to color my crown and I have the perfect die to crop it out. I was able to color my frog and I have the perfect die to crop it out. Same thing with the lily pad and the little lily flowers. And then on the inside, I'm going to show you a new stamp set in just a minute, but to do the little flies, I was able to stamp them with the So Happy Together stamp set, and then we've got a perfect coordinating die to cut out those wee little flies. Super cute, great whimsy, lots of fun, and I love that Stampin' Up! Offers some of these products you can earn free, and then if you'd like to purchase them on March 1st, they'll be available. What's really important about these coordinating products that are for purchase starting March 1st is that they are available just March 1st through March 31st or while supplies last. So if you are in love with them, I'm going to suggest you take a good hard look and be ready early in March so that you don't miss out on the coordinating products. Very quickly now, same thing. Here's the Hello Cupcake, available free with a $50 order from the first release. And then starting March 1st, these Call Me Cupcake framelits dies will be available for purchase to coordinate with the Hello Cupcake stamp set. Super, super cool. This is Lasting Lily. This is available from the first release to earn free with a $100 order. It's a double stamp set. It's been one of my most popular because it has oodles of gorgeous sentiments. And then a simply gorgeous lily that would work for Easter, spring, and beyond. I've shared some samples with that. And then starting March 1st, Lasting Lily will have for purchase the lily framelits dies that coordinate with the flowers, the stems, the leaves, even some cool label dies for the sentiments. Love, love, love it. And there's more. There will be a story label punch available. We don't know yet if this might be one item that might carry over, but for the time being, we only know that it's going to be available for purchase in March. I will keep you informed as I find anything out, but it is a real little multitasker for many of these sentiments. And there will also be for purchase with these coordinating products on March 1st. The More Than Words photopolymer stamp set. What you might not notice at first is that these sentiments are designed to work with those stamp sets that I just showed you. So for example, with the little frog set, we've got Jumping In and Hopping By. With the cupcake set we have today, Calls for Something Sweet. Super cool. And you can see that this, I don't know if you do this, but I love when I get a new punch to punch it on a piece of cardstock and then start figuring out what it's going to work with. And you can see already just how many things it's going to look amazing with. And I want to bring back some of these others. For example, the All Adorned, just how perfect it works. And just think of all the other stamp sets that you have that it would work with. This is one of the first release, you can earn it free, Sale-A-Bration items called Part of My Story. I have talked about this one on videos before because I love it. But check it out, the story label punch is amazing with it. Can even go the opposite direction with the I'm so glad you are part of my story. Very cool, and I know there's lots more I could be showing you with how that coordinates, but trust me, it works with just about everything. And let me bring back Painted Seasons. This is one that will be part of the second release that you can earn free. Remember those cute little toadstools and the stamp set that can be earned at the $100 level. But for purchase, starting March 1st, there is going to be the 4 Seasons framelits dies that will make things like this cute image so easy to crop out and pop up on dimensionals and look super cool. So this is designed to work with Painted Seasons as well as the wonderful Painted Seasons Designer Series paper. So I know I've had a lot to share with you, but I really wanted to break it down to you, the amazing coordination, which things you can earn free, which things will be available to earn free starting February 15th, as well as the coordinating products that are going to be available for purchase. Limited release starting March 1st through March 31st or while supplies last. So start working on your wish list. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them on my YouTube page. I will respond to each and every one, even if you just say, hello, this is my favorite thing, or if you have a question as well. I love hearing from you. Makes me feel like it's a little more of a two-way street. Please stop by my blog, stampinpretty.com. I post to it each and every day with paper crafting ideas, inspiration, the latest Stampin' Up! Products, and promotions. And you can subscribe to my blog to updates and get a free PDF tutorial for doing so. So thank you and bye-bye.